Here's my oil. I've turned it off because it's already hot. I don't want the crackers to burn. So I'll pick the crackers. Let me see. Here's the crackers. I'll pick like 5. Okay. Now straight into the hot oil. See. Magic, magic! See how they expanded just within a twinkle of an eye. So what I'll do is to turn them over. It's already fried, but I just want to turn them over. Turn them over. The instruction said for 30 seconds. I just allow it here for a little while. And I'll scoop them out. My prawn cracker is ready. See how whitish the look. Just like mushroom. All right, straight into my plates. Okay. Another one right into the oil. Here's another magic. Here's another magic. It's so fun how they expand, like wriggle out of as if they're wriggling out of something. I don't know. Still turn them over. Allow it for some seconds. I don't want to use much oil, just little. It's supposed to be deep fried, but I think this is quite okay. So I'll continue to fry it this way until I'm done with the quantity I brought out. See? Here we go. Ready. I'm going to have it with a hot